cheese, glorious cheese. How I missed you when I first became vegan. I guess I wasn't a huge cheese person, but I didn't like eat cheese a lot, but I guess I missed it. Even before turning vegan, I'd been diagnosed with celiac disease, and that was what began my health journey. It was when I was told to give up red meat, which actually instantly made my stomach issues disappear. But on top of that, I was told to have a high protein diet. So that meant a lot of chicken and a lot of eggs. And that was my diet for 2 years until, unfortunately, the symptoms actually returned. And once I got rid of all meat out of my diet, and at that point, because I was celiac, I was pretty much vegan apart from Greek yogurt and eggs in my diet, and obviously not being so aware when I was reading labels and things as well. That was something that came when I became vegan. So my health skyrocketed. It got to a peak at when I was around 45 years old, and I have to say that was probably the fittest and healthiest I have been in my life. I like veganizing food. I will admit that. I love veganizing food. So if I want to have a pizza, I want to have, a cheesy kind of sauce or something on there. And this mozzarella, I give it true tick of approval. It is great. It stretches. It browns. What I love about this recipe is that it's nut-free.